Welcome to this tutorial on how to withdraw cash using Allpoint ATMs with Varo Bank. Varo Bank is a mobile banking service that allows you to manage your finances on the go. And with the Allpoint network, you can access your cash at over 55,000 ATMs worldwide. To get started, make sure you have a Varo Bank account and a debit card. You can find the nearest Allpoint ATM by using the Varo Bank app or the Allpoint website. Simply enter your location and you will see a list of nearby ATMs. Once you have found an Allpoint ATM, follow these steps to withdraw cash. First, insert your Varo Bank debit card into the ATM and enter your PIN. Select the withdrawal option and choose the account you want to withdraw from. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw and confirm the transaction. The ATM will dispense the cash and print a receipt. Take your card, cash, and receipt, and you are done. There are a few things to keep in mind when using Allpoint ATMs with Varo Bank. Varo Bank does not charge any fees for using Allpoint ATMs. But some ATMs may charge a surcharge. You can avoid these surcharges by only using ATMs that are part of the Allpoint network. Additionally, be aware of your daily withdrawal limit, which can be found in the Varo Bank app or by contacting Varo Bank customer service. It is also a good idea to keep an eye on your account balance to avoid overdrafts. In summary, withdrawing cash using Allpoint ATMs with Varo Bank is a convenient and fee-free way to access your money. By following these steps and being mindful of your account limits, you can easily get the cash you need whenever you need it.